For easier access in replacing the humidity control body on the refrigerator's crisper drawer, you can fully remove the drawer by pulling forward, then lift up the rear. Move the control slide to the low setting. Depress the bezel tabs to release the control body assembly from the drawer. You will need to slightly widen the bezel portion of the body to remove the slide. Prepare the new humidity control body for installation by inserting the slide, then widen the bezel portion of the body to fully seat the slide. With the slide positioned to the right, insert the assembly through the slot in the crisper drawer and snap it into place. Reinstall the drawer if required.